tsala ke a itse o na le stress tsala ke a itse o bolela tsore mosebetsi o fedilwe tsala o boletswe gore o ile o retrenchwa ka lebaka la coronavirus empa ntumelle ke bua jwale ka Dafita 1 Samuel chapter 17 verse 47 a re ntwa ye a se a rona ntwa ye ke a modimo tsala ke nako ya re meme modimo it's not over ka 2020 don't stop dreaming dintho di tla etsagala God will fight for us ke nako ya jwale eo modimo wa rona re tshwantseng re matle ka mmele pelo le moya a re mmitsa o tla theoa bohlale ba rona a bo sebetse don't give up tsala coronavirus e tla feta it doesn't matter what you are going through it's not over. God will fight for us. God will never fail us. Just stay at home, save life. God bless you. Le ba lelapa la hao. Ditsietsi tsa hao a tla di tlose. Thabo e tle ka ra bophelo ba hao. Ka Kriste Jesu. Amen.